Hi everybody, at home with ELMO USA with a very exciting video for you right now. We're going to do an unboxing of our ELMO PX Series. Our PX Series is our top of the line platform document cameras, and they are the highest resolution document cameras in the world. So when we first open up, we're presented with a kind of a unique packaging thing. We're going to pull the top part up and bring out the accessory box, which contains the power cable, the brick, and of course a USB cable for using with the camera. Okay, we've got the camera out of the box. We're going to go ahead and unpackage it, pull some of the plastic wrap off. I want to take a moment and show how to set it up. So we're going to remove all of the plastic wrapping. When you get the camera, we're going to pull it up and it notches into place. This notches into place, and you rotate the camera head until it's notched into place. If you have any additional questions about the PX Series units or any other ELMO products, please visit our website at elmousa.com. And for more amazing award-winning videos, please visit the ELMO USA YouTube channel. Thank you so much.